Here I have POCO F7 and let's go through the all available Gemini Voices on the following device. Alright, so let's start by opening the settings. Scroll down and choose Xiaomi Hyper AI. Tap Gemini. Let's choose Gemini setting. Choose here Gemini Voices and let's go through all of them.
I'm excited to be your voice.
Orion.
If you like what you hear, pick me to start chatting. Feel free to keep exploring until you find your perfect match.
Orbit. Energetic, deeper voice.
Remember, you can always switch voices later. I'm ready to talk whenever you are.
Vega, bright, higher voice.
If you're curious about the other voices, swipe to explore or pick me to start talking.
Eclipse, energetic, mid-range voice.
It's lovely to meet you. Give me a chance or check out the other options.
Lira, bright, higher voice.
Perhaps I'm the perfect fit for you. Choose me, and I'll be the voice you hear.
Pegasus, engage, deeper voice.
I'd be thrilled to be the voice you choose for Gemini, but let's be honest, the other voices are great too.
Sapella, serene, higher voice.
Choosing a voice can be a bit tricky, but hopefully it's fun. Fingers crossed, I'm your top pick.
Nova, calm, mid-range voice.
Maybe I'm the voice you've been looking for, but there are plenty more to discover.
Ursa, engage, mid-range voice.
I'm another voice in the mix, ready to talk whenever you are.
Deeper, engage, deeper voice. So that's it. This is the list of all available Gemini's voices that you can use on your POCO F7 for now. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.